Hello students, it's grade 5, block 3, multiplying and dividing the numbers. You know how to multiply the number, very well. Today we are going to solve the exercise on page number 18. So I am writing the example before you. Multiply 257 multiplied by 43. What will you do? First you will multiply. You will take 3. Multiply all these numbers with 3 first. 3 sevens are 21. And don't forget to carry over the extra numbers. 3 fives are 15 and add 2. 17. Carry 1. 3 twos are 6 and 1 7. You will keep here 0 at the second line. And then start to multiply with 4. All this number with 4. 4 sevens are 28. So I will write here 8 and carry 2. Then 4 fives are 20 and 2. 22. Then I will write 2 here and carry 2. 4 twos are 8 and 2 10. So I will write here 10. And I will add these two numbers. This one as it is 715. So carry 1 here. 7 and 2 9 and 1 10. I will write 0 here. Carry 1. 1 as it is, and this one is, your answer is 11,051. Now your second question is, Pratik bought 2,550 grams of cashew nuts. He wants to pack them in packets of 50 grams each. How many packets will he need? So what will you do? You will divide the total number of cashew nuts he had and the number of grams he have to pack in each packet. I am going to divide . You don't know 50's table, but you know 5's table. 5 5's are 25. So 50 5's are 250. I will write 5 in the quotient line. 5 5's are 50 5's are 250. I will take this 0 downside. Now 50 ones are 50. So he needs 51 packets. Our answer is 51. So we will write he needs 51 packets. Then second is 321 multiplied by the 3-digit number 165. So same process you will do. First, multiply with 5 with each digit. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, carry 1, 5 threes are 15 and 1 16. I will give 0 here at 1's place. Then multiply with 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, carry 1, then 6 threes are 18 and this one 19. Then the third number, before multiplying the third number you will give 2 zeros in the third line and then start multiplying with the third number. 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2 and 1 threes are 3. Then we will make addition of this number. 5, 6, 6 and 2, 8, 8 and 1, 9, 1 and 9, 10, 10 and 2, 12, carry 1, 3 and 1, 4, 4 and 1, 5. So you will get the answer 52,965. Then on page number 18, your second question is use the long division method to solve. You have to use long division method to solve this problem. This is 247 and you have to divide it by 13. So in 13's table 24 is not there. 26, 13 twos are 26. So you will take 13 itself to subtract. 13 ones are 13. Then I will take this 7. 1 means 7 and 13 nines are 117. 0, 0. Our answer is 19. Then second question for long division. 482 divided by 20. So 20 twos are 40. From 8 subtract 0 you will get 8 and from 4 subtract 4 you will get 0. Then I will take this 2. 20 8s 80. Sorry, 20 4s 24s 80. So you will subtract 80 from 82. You will get 2 only. This is the remainder and your answer is 24.